What's going on, guys? And today I am going to be showing you guys how to install mods onto Minecraft, and it's really simple. You just need a few files. We'll tell you just the one file and you're practically done. Okay, so first what you do is open up your browser, and I use Google Chrome, so I'm going to open Google Chrome, and obviously I have it all set up because it's getting a little bit annoying when you have to go through everything. But yeah, what you want to do, you want to head to files.minecraftforge.net. Once you're on this website, you'll be brought to a page like this, and you have a Minecraft version selection. So these are all the different versions you can choose from, and as you see, I've got 1.8 selected. That's what I'm going to be doing installing mods on today, is 1.8 Minecraft version. Now, just say you are not downloading Minecraft again. You were downloading Forge, what allows you to add mods to Minecraft. But there is another way of adding mods, but it's more tedious and more annoying. So I'd recommend doing it this way. Totally 100% more easier. And yeah, just pretty much follow along. Now, you can download the latest or download the recommended. And personally, my opinion is download recommended, because there's less problems. And when it comes to a problem, you don't know what to do, you gotta download it all again. And it's not a big download, but yeah. So when you get brought to this page, you wanna select your version. So I've set to 1.8, and download recommended is what I'm doing. Now you've got your change log. You can look at the change logs. Pretty much what you're downloading is a change log. There's no point. You don't look at that. You install, that's what you're mostly gonna look at. Installer win, not too sure what that is. SRC, not too sure what that is. And Universal, have no clue what that is either. So when you go do is go straight to installer. Once you click on it, it should bring you to this little web page, and don't do nothing, just wait for this little timer here to go by, and you want to click skip as soon as possible. As well, I have just clicked skip, and it will ask you to download it, and it says this will harm your computer. For me, it's Google Chrome person, but there's 110% save. Just to prove it, I'll press keep, but it's gonna take some while time for me to download because I got really slow internet. So I just do keep, just to prove. They go, oh, maybe not then. Just to prove. So I have just installed it the second time around, just to prove that it's not anything broken. And then as soon as you got it installed, you can close your web browser. But I'd recommend keeping it open for the next part if you want this mod that I'm about to install with it. Okay, but yeah, you can close that and close that all. And now you should have it installed. So well, not installed, but downloaded. So when it goes to your start, sorry for using Windows 8, but if you know Windows 8 good enough, you know your way to get around this part. But anyway, you want to go to your computer, and you want to go to your downloads, and as you see, it's my downloads. I already have one installed, and also have another one from previously trying to make this video as perfect as possible, but obviously it didn't go too well, and it didn't go to my understanding. Okay, so you want to drag it to your desktop, or you don't have to drag it to your desktop, but very recommended. And you want to double click it, and it will bring you to this page. You'll say mod system installer, and now you want to click install client, and you want to make sure that you have got Minecraft installed. And if this doesn't show as user, your name, app data, roaming.minecraft, you want to locate to that. And if you want to have to locate that, I will quickly show you now. But you don't want to do install server unless you're doing a server, obviously. And I have no clue what extract the containing jar file. Don't do that. But yeah, if you want to install clap. But if this ain't here, you want to go select an alternative area, and it should not really, you shouldn't really have any problem with this. I'm not surprised if this doesn't come up, but if it doesn't, always a good idea is to go to start, and you want to type in %app data, and then %, and you press enter, and it will bring you to this page. So right here, it's just nice and simple. So you want to click on the top here, and I'll bring you this. You want to copy that, and you want to drop it into here. Okay, as I've done that just wrong. So I did that horribly wrong just then. Yeah, I was meant to click Minecraft and then click copy it. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, you want to just copy that with Control C. So instead of me just copying it, and Control V. And voila, and I've just double pasted it, haven't I? And that's how much I suck at making videos. Just don't know me for that. And you just click open, and voila, it would be there. Okay, so don't worry, it will be there. Just ignore everything I just did. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to click install OK and click OK. And it will start installing everything, and you see it will see successfully install client profile Forge for your version Forge 11.14.1.3 blah blah blah. I'm not reading all that, okay? It should be fine, just no errors or anything. If there's an error, then please comment in the description. I will try and help you as much as possible. Okay, you can click OK. So once that's installed, you want to get a mod, obviously. You want to get a mod, but before you get a mod, you want to check that all your files is running fine. Okay, so first you want to go here, and again you're going to go %app data %, and open up. Once you open that, you want to go minecraft.minecraft. Okay, just look for that. And once you're in here, if you haven't already, it should have a mods folder. And if you haven't got a mods folder, you can easily just right click, new folder, and you can type mods. And simple as that, it will just work. Okay. But obviously I didn't want to do that. And okay, so once you got the mods folder, it should be pretty much empty. There's nothing in here. Okay, and what you want to do, what you want to do, you want to get a mod. Okay, so a recommended mod is what I'm going to use today. It's called Too Many Items, and if you want to get this mod, it will be in the link in the description, but it is also on here, and I've downloaded it. Okay, now download TMI from Minecraft 1.8 Forge mod, but I think I did the jar because I did the jar because I thought that'd be easier instead of installing it from there. Anyway, so as soon as you got that installed, didn't mean to open Google. As soon as you got that installed, just go to your downloads, and it'll be there already. Too Many Items. You can drag that, close that, and you can easily just go back in %app data, and once you're in your mods folder, you want to drag and drop. Okay, so that's now in dragged and dropped. And a little tip, guys, if you are gonna get a mod, make sure it's the right Forge for it. So let's say I'm using Forge 1.8. I want to use a mod that works with 1.8. Now, a very handy tip is that you can actually install all of those different type of forges, but you can do that because you can drop all the mods into one single mod folder, and so you can load up every different forge if you wanted to, but it will only load them mods that are allocated to work on that. Okay, very simple, very easy. Okay, so once you've done that, you can close that, nothing's going to happen, and you're going to open up Minecraft. Okay, so once you've opened up Minecraft, it will kind of screen like this. I'm going to let it load. Okay, so I've let it load, and what you want to do, you want to create a new profile. Okay, you can create a new profile, you can edit profile, they both look the same, new profile, and I'm going to name this, profile name, Forge 1.8. And then you want to go to your user version. I'm using release 1.7.10, but I don't want to use that. I want to scroll all the way down until you see Forge 1.8, Forge 11.14.1.1334. And once you're done, you want to go save profile, and I will chuck you into default, or might chuck you into that, I'm not too sure. I've already got Forge installed, so I'm now installing Forge 8.1, and it won't make a difference. And once you got that open, you can click play. Now, the worst thing that can happen is that it won't open. And I didn't think it was gonna open. It won't open, and that's a really annoying problem. That's because you haven't got the right version. Okay, that is it. It's just you haven't got the right version of a plugin, and it won't open it, and it's just errors and errors and errors. And it won't say any errors, but the hidden errors. Okay, so to make sure that your mods are actually active, you want to go click mods, and you see Too Many Items 1.8, and I got all these mods. So don't worry about these. These are the main priority ones. I don't know what you want to configure about these. Oh, okay. I'm going to touch that. Okay, so you can jump straight into single player to prove these mods are working. So I'm going to go test. I'm going to go survival. Yeah, I'll do. Create a new world. Let's quickly create a world. I'm hoping this won't lag. It probably will lag. I won't really preparing all my downloaded files and all this video stuff. It's irritating. Oh, it's not that bad. It's quite okay. Okay, so once you got that installed, I don't know how this works. So, oh, there you go. That's proof. Too Many Items. It's all working. You got your custom, your many items, your basic items, your controls and saves. But I'm not going to do a tutorial on this. But yeah, you know, it's pretty much simple. Too Many Items, and you can use this on these servers to see recipes, how to create stuff. Oh, obviously it's not creative. But yeah, you kind of get the gist. So it works, and it's amazing. And if you want to know any more tips and tricks on this, just comment and ask me to do something. I'm going to be happy to do a tutorial on Minecraft or anything pretty much. It's all good fun. But yeah, I'm gonna adios out of here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Sorry for so much talking, but this is my first video, and it's really hard to getting used to the whole gist of talking so much. So yeah, sorry for the inconvenience of that. But so I hope you enjoyed it really. See you in the next one. Adios, amigos. Bye.